Hey guys, welcome back to Flags Cards, and today we'll be opening Donruss football. So we have a variety of what we're opening today. So we have, these are gravity packs, 5 gravity packs, 2 fat packs, 1 mega, and 2 blaster boxes. So all these contain different types of cards. This one has a guaranteed autograph and memorabilia card. This has one memorabilia card each, and these have press proof parallels. And these are just nothing special, but these are like cheap packs, like value packs, would say. So we're gonna go from cheap to the most expensive first. So gravity fat pack blasters, and then the mega box at the end. So let's start this off. Hopefully we pull some good rookies with the gravity packs. TJ Moore, Jack Doyle, Tremaine, Drew Brees, Nick Bosa, Eric. First rated rookie is CJ Henderson. So we have Ryan Kerrigan, Kevin Byard, Joe Namath, Von Miller, DeMarcus Lawrence, Ezekiel Elliott. First rookie is... No, second rookie is Albert Okuwugbunam and Damian Williams. So I'm guessing these packs average about 1 rookie, which makes sense. July, Kenyon Drake, Daniel Jones, second year Daniel Jones. I'll just keep this to the side. Mark Andrews, Chase Winovich, KJ Osborne, Tyler Boyd. Next pack. Anthony Miller, Matt Trubisky, Baker Mayfield. Ooh, something cool. Elite Series Jordan Love. There's a hit. A rated rookie Denzel Mims. That was the best pack so far. Next pack. We have Josh Allen, Michael Fuller, Calvin Ridley, Drew Lock, and a Dominator Dak Prescott. Not a bad pack. And Ross Blackwood. Next up, we'll be going to the fat packs. Hopefully it's more than 1 or 2 rookies in each of these packs. Alvin Kamara, Daniel Delvin Cooks, Saquon. Then we have Terry, Jane Brown, Derrick Henry, Le'Veon Bell, Cooper Kupp, Trent Brown, Derek Carr. Now our press proofs: Chris Jones, Alshon, Von Miller, and the rookie is Denzel Mims. Rookie Elite Series, Michael Pittman Jr., Trayvon Diggs, Zay Cutler. Oh, rated rookie, Bryan Edwards. So that was a decent pack. At least we got a couple good names. Go ahead and fix this so you guys can see a little better. Go. Dalvin Cook, Saquon again. Drew Bledsoe, Butter Baker. The press proofs. Blake Martinez, Mark Ingram II. Ooh, Christian McCaffrey. Yeah. Ooh, what is that? Jalen Reagor. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, white hot rookies. That's a hit. Dalton Keene, Mickey Septon. That's it. So those fat packs were decent. Now we're going to go to our blaster box. first blaster box. Comes with 8 packs. What's weird is these blasters have more cards than a mega box. These blasters have 88 cards, and mega has 56, but they do have the special pink insert cards per pack. These are 8 cards per pack. Oh, there's more than these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs in here. Wow. Butter Baker, Kerry Johnson. They're all upside down. OJ. Oh, there's our autograph. First, is this autograph? No, it's our Phenoms. Michael Pittman, rookie. So, there is. I'm not sure there's not an auto. There's not a guaranteed auto in here, but we may hit one if we do get lucky. So we have Walter Payton, David Montgomery, Cole Holcomb, Cameron Jordan, Russell Wilson, Dalton, Tom Brady, and Brett Favre. Ryan Tannehill. Nothing great in here. Mickey. There's one rookie in there. Keep it going. So we have James Tyler. Lawrence Taylor. Ooh, Tyler Johnson, rated rookie. And Jake Litton. It's not looking too good. Darren Miller, Miles. Adam, Sterling, Willie. Just come on, where's that auto? We can pull something. Come on. There's Mahomes in the back. Robbie, Joe, Stephon Diggs. Oh, there's no rookie in that pack? Oh, wait, no, okay, no. Skipped on that. Ty at all. Ooh, insert. Warren Moon, Retro Series, and Jonathan Taylor. So we have 4 more packs left. Maybe we can get lucky and pull auto. Jonathan Joseph, Julio Jones, Warren Moon again. Josh Uche. Come on, let's give us some luck. Chandler Jones, Danny Amendola. There's an insert in here. Peyton Manning. Amari Cooper, McCaffrey. Trayvon Diggs. Khalil Mack. Baker Mayfield. Oh, a rookie red of DJ Davis. And James Morgan, Joe Montana. And Jaylen Brown there. No, Jaylen Brown. That's the first box. Rookie card. So out of the 1 blaster, we have 1 major hit. Second blaster box. $11 packs. Julio Jones, Warren Moon again. Oh, there we go. Deebo Samuel memorabilia. Antoine Winfield. Wow, we got. That's a. We opened the first pack. We got the memorabilia card. Danny Amendola. Skip to the rookie. It's gonna be Noah. Joe Mixon. Khalil Mack. Rated rookie Clyde Edwards. Come on, auto. Derrick Henry, Le'Veon Bell. Oh, rated rookie of Tua. There's what we're looking for. That is exactly what we're looking for. This is the canvas rookie. Tua Tagovailoa. Top load this as well. It's non-numbered. It's not. Looks pretty good shape too. Tagovailoa. It's a big hit. Cooper Kupp. Oh, I see an OPTIC insert in here. What is this? Rookie? Josiah DeGora. It's a cool card, but it's an OPTIC card. I didn't know they came with these. Oh, Joe Burrow in the pack after the 2 top rookie quarterbacks in this box. Rated rookie Joe Burrow. It's great cards. 2 great cards. There's no way we get some other thing, anything else crazy from this box. Still the same box. See another insert in here. Peyton Manning, Sterling. Oh, what is this? Steve Hutchinson. So we have 4 more packs. 2 great hits from this blaster box already. We still have that guaranteed auto from the mega box as well. Josh Allen, Will. Ladanian, yep. You know Benjamin, Joe Monte. Calvin Ridley, Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk, Laviska Shenault Jr. Interesting card. Oh, rated rookie, CJ Henderson. DONRUSS red of Terrell Lewis. A rookie, Nate Stanley. Last pack. Mitchell, Drew Lock, Amari Cooper. And there's our rookie. Nothing great. Alright, now what we're waiting for is this big box. This guaranteed autograph. Maybe we can pull a 2 autograph. That'd be kind of cool. We got it though. So this only comes with 7 packs of 8. Wait, 7 packs of 8? Yes. Perfect. These are guaranteed auto, and I think it's guaranteed 1 memorabilia card, so hopefully pull something good in the auto. And these come with pink as well. Opening ground. Julio Jones, Jared Goff, ooh, AJ Spencer, nice to see it get a rookie. Cliff, ooh, rated rookie, James Morgan. Second pack. few in the back. Warren Moon. I got like 4 Warren Moons in this opening. Clyde Edwards. The Dominators, Nick Bosa. Philip Lindsay. Press proof. Oh, I thought it was somebody else. Not bad. Raekwon Davis. Grant Delpit. Come on. One auto from here. So Bernie, Nick Chubb, Eddie Jackson, Khalil Mack, Joe Burrow, rated rookie pink. That is the hit of the box, of the whole opening. I'm not sure how this much this goes for. At least $100 for this card alone. Wow. Joe Burrow, rated rookie pink optic. And a Heath Miller with the Keyshawn Vaughn, rated rookie. Still, oh, this is a memorabilia pack. Maybe we can get something good in here. Ooh, Jay. Oh, there's our auto. Redskins, Antonio Gibson. Memorabilia. Cesar Ruiz. Walter Payton. Julian Aquara. So we have an auto in one of these packs. Brett Favre off the back. Cameron Russell. Oh, I see a Dolphin pink. Don't tell me it's a Tua. Pink optic. Let's go this way. Rated rookie. No way, this is a Tua. No, it's not. It was not a Dolphin. CJ Henderson. Oh, the blue got me off. CJ Henderson, and it was Gabriel Davis canvas. Now, last pack. This pack has the auto in it. Michael Thomas, Deebo Samuel. Here's our auto. See the initials. Rated rookie, KC. Is it a Clyde Edwards? No way, it's a Clyde Edwards. Clyde Edwards-Helaire autograph. Oh my god, what a box. Oh my god, with the Jason Huntley. Oh. Rated rookie DeAndre Swift. But what a box. So we have the #1 rookie running back with #1 rookie quarterback, or supposedly. What an auto to pull. So going back, these are our hits from the last break. We have a Michael Pittman Elite Series, Michael Pittman due to rated rookie, CJ Henderson, 2 CJ Henderson and 1 pink optic, James Morgan. This is nice. White Hot rookies, Clyde, Denzel Mims, 3 Bryan Edwards, 1 pink, DeAndre Swift, Gabriel Davis, DJ Dallas, Jonathan Taylor, Tyler Johnson, Jake Luton, Jalen Reagor, Keyshawn Vaughn, and here are some our big boys. So Antonio Gibson, rookie phenoms, Deebo Samuel, rookie phenoms, Jonathan Taylor, Tua Tagovailoa, canvas rated rookie, Joe Burrow rated rookie, pink Joe Burrow rated rookie, ended off with Clyde Edwards-Helaire auto. Those are great. These are great boxes. The mega was so worth it, and I hope I get some more boxes like that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back for more videos soon.